Hi friends. Today we're repairing a train's onboard computer, called ASKUM2. This is a control device on a special self-propelled rolling stock. This equipment arrived with a problem with buttons turning on by themselves, and some buttons stopped working. I'm going to peel off the top part now to see what's wrong. The membranes feel intact and are clicking. Let's get to the disassembly. First, I'll remove the 4 rivets on the sides, and then I'll heat it up and remove the sticker. I think I found one of the causes of the false button activation. The metal membrane had shifted out of place and was dangling, which could be the cause of the false activation due to the incorrect button placement. I also see carbon deposits on the plates. They'll need to be cleaned. I see someone has already tried to repair this device, as I see there's tape here. So, you need to look under a microscope. In 2 places, I see blackened spots, either water or dust. I think I found another problem. They tried to repair the connectors, and you can see there's a wire there. One fell out on its own, and the other is stuck in the paste. It's possible there was a short circuit there. Some contacts are dark, and you need to check if they're transmitting an electrical signal. I bought a special conductive paste. I'll try to restore the tracks with it. Now apply the paste to those places where there is no contact. Until the paste dries, it doesn't conduct electricity. The paste only works when it's thoroughly dry. Let's test the track that wasn't tested. Now let's try to ring the 3rd track, which was not ringing before. As you can see, the paste works. I'll now repair the remaining tracks. Almost all of them are damaged here. It's best to do this under a microscope. I've completely repaired the left side. The resistance is around 2 ohms, indicating good signal conductivity. I also found a 2nd track in the brake on the right side. I also repaired the pad contacts. I'll show you all the repaired tracks now. First, I need to repair the track, and then I'll glue the top part. I've repaired all the tracks and laid out all the buttons. Now I need to apply the sticker carefully to avoid displacing the buttons. You've just seen a demo video showing that the computer is now working properly. All the buttons work and the modes can be switched. Another device repaired. Friends, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Bye.